This is the second video I filmed today, and I'm going to kind of teach you how to do the cut crease look I did. It's like really smoky, and the lips I just added on. So if you want to know how I did that, then keep on watching. So as a crease color, I'm going to go in with the color Cocoa Bear from Morphe with a blending brush, and I'm going to apply that all along my crease. To create the cut crease, I'm going to go in with a small angled brush, and I'm going to go along the shape of my eyeball, and I kind of wing it out towards the end, and I used a moussey concealer for this. Then to create a darker kind of crease at the tip of the cut crease, I'm going to go in with Abyss with a small angled brush, and I'm going to outline the cut crease just to create that really smoky eye, and then we're going to blend it out. I'm going to go back in with Cocoa Bear and blend that dark color out just so we don't have any sharp lines. And then I'm going to go in and redefine that cut crease since that darker color probably blurred it out a little. And just remember to go along the shape of the eyeball. Then I'm going to use Karma by Stila, like their Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner and my lid. I didn't use a high-brand eyeliner for this just because I was going to go to the gym after, but this is e.l.f.'s liquid eyeliner, and it works really good, honestly. It's like only like $3. But my favorite eyeliner was Perversion Urban Decay, so that's also a good alternative for this eyeliner. Then I'm going to go again with Cocoa Bear, the color we used in our crease, and I'm going to go under the eye just to also bring that smoky look from the top to the bottom, and I'm going to go in again with Abyss just to darken it up a bit. I'm going to use Beam, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone just because it really creates that nice shine and really kind of finishes up the look. And I used an Estee Lauder mascara for this. Also for the reason I was going to the gym, I used like a travel size one. I would have used the Lash Paradise one, like the Luminous Lash Paradise. And I go in again with Beam, and I'm just going to go in and put that on my lid just because I felt like the glitter wasn't really showing that much. So I put that over the glitter, and I'm going to put the Karma Stila again on top of that, and you're going to notice that it really shows a lot more now that I put that eyeshadow base on it. Then I'm going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Sepia Lip Gloss, and I really like this just because it's a very dark neutral color, kind of matches the eyes for a very dramatic look. I'm just going to go in along with the natural shape of my lips. I might do another video kind of teaching how to naturally overline your lips, but for this video I didn't do anything dramatic like that.